Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So guys, we are coming live from the streets of Nairobi, here, the CBD. We just want to go around the town. Yeah, the town is very busy. It is Christmas time, so we have a lot of movement in the city. I just want to take you around so that you see how everything looks like here. So we are starting from this point, and then we go down there. What do you call that place? We have a Kenya.The Avenue. Yeah, this is along Kenya.The Avenue. Yes, and then we have a IreneZab Avenue. We have a Workshop Road. Yeah, so I just want to take you around so that you see how things looks like here. So before we continue, guys, please like the video, share, comment, and I would really appreciate you, and also subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. Yes, so guys, right here we have this beautiful statue here. Yes, it has been under construction for a while now. You can even see it is fenced with some iron sheets. Yeah, so that is around this is Kenya.The Avenue still, and then on the other side, when you want to go to Rongai, Kibera, yeah, we are going to cross the other side, yeah, so that you see how the place looks like. So guys, this part, it has really changed because when I came to Nairobi, like this part, because I used to live in Rongai, this is where we used to like matatus from this place, yeah. But again, it has been we have amazing progress here, yeah. So you can see the cars are moving, and also the main stage is it's fenced, meaning it is under construction, yeah. Yes. And on the other side down there, I don't know if you, yes, down here we have the railway station, yeah. When we want to go to Mombasa, yes, that is where you just go, yeah. But inside here, these are just the matatus for various places. If you want to go to Kibera, this is where you can find your matatu to take you home. Yes, on the other side, we have this is the Haile Selassie Avenue. I've been doing videos from this part, but from the other side. Yes, yeah. So this is the left side. I've been doing the videos from the other side. So yeah, so that is how the place looks like. Yeah, very clean. Yeah, it looks like it has been swept right now. So that is how the place looks like. And again, I took this video very early in the morning. Yes, it was around 9 in the morning. So that is how the city looks like. You see now the cars are moving. On that side, when you want to go to Ngong, Rongai, yes, various places. You see that? Yes. So right here we have this is the workshop road. Yes, on the other side, down there. Yes, that is how the place looks like. Very quiet, very quiet. Trees around the place. Yeah, very clean. And then we have the railway station here. Yes, if you want to go to like Mombasa, yes, you can go. Just follow this road up to the other side, and then you find your way. Yeah. So guys, please keep watching the video to the end, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, and give me a like, guys, because when you like the video, YouTube tends to recommend the video to large audience. So guys, let me just end this video here. Yeah, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, guys, for the wonderful support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment down below, guys, so that I may know what you think about this video. And remember, you can also support the channel through my PayPal. Yeah, and I really appreciate. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.